Welcome to our updated C3 platform and your new Look Account dashboard. If you have access to more than one property, you can now select the property or your entire portfolio in our Property Group section on the left side of the screen. At the portfolio level, you will find your default reports on the bottom of the screen with easy access to view, customize, and download. These portfolio highlights and metrics are shown at the top for your at-a-glance convenience. Like the portfolio dashboard, the property dashboard has reports and at-a-glance highlights, but specific to one property. In addition to the reports, the most common property tasks are available on the bottom of the screen for on-site staff convenience. To see more in-depth information about your property configuration and utility smart services, click on the Property Profile tab. And for more in-depth information about a specific resident, click on the Resident Data tab at the top right of your screen. On the resident screen, you can view current or past bills in addition to more in-depth historical reporting. The common task forms and printouts associated with residents are shown here on the bottom of the screen. Generating property final bills is as easy as it has always been and is located on the right side of your property dashboard. And finally, we will show you a brief tutorial on our reporting grids and how to get the most out of our updated features. To move and remove a column, click, hold, and drag the column of your choice. You can reorganize the placement of columns depending on your preference, and you can also remove the column by simply dragging it off the grid. You are also able to sort any column by clicking on the header. Each column can be filtered, and a filtering menu can be accessed by scrolling to the right side of the column header. Filtering reports can be incredibly useful, especially when showing new move-ins and vacancies. Each of our reporting grids has a built-in search function and multiple export options. After filtering and customizing your columns, you have the ability to easily restore to default settings by clicking on the grid menu on the left side of the screen and selecting Restore Defaults. Each report has a settings sidebar located on the left, which has common parameters available to quickly change. If you have any further questions about new features with this update, please contact your account manager located on the right side of your dashboard homepage.